Why does my car overheat? Common causes explained. Car overheating is a concern that many drivers encounter at some point in their vehicle's lifespan. When your car's temperature gauge starts climbing into the red zone, it's essential to understand the potential causes behind this issue. This knowledge can help you identify the problem and take appropriate action to prevent further damage. In this video, we will explore the common reasons why cars overheat. So before starting the video, please like this video. Do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. 1. Low coolant level. A leading cause of overheating is a low coolant level. Coolant, also known as antifreeze, plays a crucial role in maintaining your engine's temperature. When the coolant level drops below the required amount, the engine can't dissipate heat effectively. 2. Coolant leaks. Coolant leaks can result from damaged hoses, a malfunctioning radiator, a faulty water pump, or a compromised head gasket. These leaks can lead to a reduction in coolant levels, causing the engine to overheat. 3. Thermostat problems. The thermostat is responsible for regulating the flow of coolant through the engine. When it fails to open or close correctly, it can disrupt the cooling process and lead to overheating. 4. Cooling fan malfunctions. Electric cooling fans help maintain the engine's temperature by dissipating heat. When these fans don't function correctly, especially in slow-moving traffic or while idling, the engine can overheat. 5. Clogged radiator. A radiator with blockages can limit the airflow, reducing its ability to cool the coolant effectively. Debris, sediment buildup, or external damage can contribute to radiator blockages. 6. Water pump failure. The water pump circulates coolant throughout the engine and radiator. A malfunctioning water pump can disrupt the flow of coolant, leading to overheating. 7. Engine oil issues. Engine oil not only lubricates engine components, but also helps dissipate heat. Low oil levels or degraded oil can result in increased friction and heat generation. 8. Radiator cap problems. The radiator cap maintains system pressure, which raises the boiling point of the coolant. If the cap is faulty, it can lead to coolant boiling and engine overheating. 9. Blocked cooling passages. Over time, mineral deposits and rust can accumulate in the engine's cooling passages, obstructing the flow of coolant and causing localized hot spots. 10. Engine timing problems. Incorrect engine timing, such as a misaligned timing belt or a malfunctioning timing chain, can affect the engine's efficiency and heat generation. 11. Exhaust system issues. A clogged or damaged exhaust system can disrupt the engine's ability to expel hot gases, leading to increased heat buildup. 12. Air pocket in the cooling system. If air pockets or bubbles are trapped in the cooling system, they can interfere with the circulation of coolant, causing the engine to overheat. 13. Engine overload. Excessive engine loads, such as towing heavy loads beyond the vehicle's capacity, can put extra stress on the engine, leading to overheating. 14. Hot weather conditions. Extreme heat can also contribute to overheating, particularly if your vehicle's cooling system isn't functioning optimally. 15. Electrical system issues. Problems with the electrical system, such as a malfunctioning temperature sensor or a faulty relay, can disrupt the cooling fan's operation and lead to overheating. Conclusion: car overheating can result from various factors related to the cooling system, engine, or other components. Identifying the underlying cause is crucial for resolving the issue and preventing further damage. Regular maintenance, including checking coolant levels, inspecting for leaks, and ensuring cooling system components are in good working order, can help prevent overheating problems. If your vehicle does begin to overheat, it's important to address the problem promptly to avoid engine damage. If you are unsure about diagnosing or fixing the issue yourself, it's advisable to seek the assistance of a qualified mechanic. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.